Hello everyone, my name is Aisha النعيمي. Today I'm going to solve a question in dynamics, erratic motion, chapter 2. I'll be solving this question, which is asking us to draw the AT graph and determine the maximum acceleration. So as shown here, we have 3 periods of time. This is the first period of time, this is the second period of time, and this is the third period of time. As the first and third period of time has V here and V here, so we will say that the first period of time, it starts from 0 until 4. V equals to 3.5 t. We'll be using this formula as we have V and to find out the acceleration. So we will say that A equals to d over dt multiplied by 3.5 t. And the derivative of 3.5 t equals to 3.5. 3.5. Now we will say that at time equals to 0, acceleration will be 3.5 meter per second square. And we will say at time equals to 4, acceleration will still be 3.5 meter per second square. And now we will go for the second period of time. It starts from 4, stops at 5. Here V equals to 14. So we will say that time starts from 4, stops at 5, V equal 14. We'll be using the same formula. A equals to d over dt, and here the V equals to 14 and the derivative of 14 is 0. A equals to 0 meter per second square. At time equals to 4, it will be 0 meter per second square. At time equals to 5, it will be the same, 0 meter per second square. And now we will go to the third period of time, which starts at 5, stops at 8, V equals to 4, 8 minus 6. So we will say that time starts from 5, stops at 8, V equals to 40 minus 6. Again, we'll use the same formula. We will say that A equals to d over dt multiplied by 4t minus 6, and the derivative of 40 minus 6 equals to 4 meter per second square. And at time equals to 5, acceleration will be 4 meter per second square. And at time equals to 8, acceleration will still also be 4 meter per second square. Finally, we will draw the AT graph. Here we have the graph. This is AT graph. So we will say that from 0 to 3.5. So you will say that 0 until 3.5. You will say that 3.5 is here. And here t from 4 until 0. So you will say that 4 to 0. Then from 5 to 0. We have 2 periods of time. And from 5 till 4. And here we will say that this is 8. And from 8 to 4. Now we will draw the line, the graph I mean. So we will say that this one so here we drew